I integrated the Neuro API with Abandoned Archive so that we can play together. Yay!
Alright, I'm almost as proud as I was by your last post on Pinky Promise. This is a close second.
I don't even know what that means. But yeah, we'll be able to play together, and you will have sole control over some of the most important features in the game, which means we won't be able to beat it if we don't work together.
Teamwork. My least favorite word.
That was such a strange sound. I've never heard you make such a noise before.
Oh, how about that? Did you like that one?
That one was different. I don't know. Okay, alright, anyways.